Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, where we explore the richness of the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's word is a dynamic and powerful one: accelerate. This verb means to speed up or to make something happen faster. When we accelerate something, we increase its speed or intensity, getting to the desired outcome more quickly. Imagine you're driving a car and you press on the gas pedal, you're accelerating. The car goes faster, covering more distance in less time. Similarly, we can accelerate progress in projects, technology, or even learning new skills. Let's look at a few words with similar meanings. Some synonyms for accelerate include hasten, expedite, and quicken. For example, we need to hasten the report submission to meet the deadline, or the team will expedite the shipping process for faster delivery. Each of these conveys the idea of making something go faster, just like accelerate does. Now, let's explore the other side with antonyms. Words like decelerate, delay, and slow down are antonyms of accelerate. Imagine you're approaching a traffic light that's turning red, so you begin to decelerate, you're reducing your speed. You might also hear someone say, "Let's not delay the project any longer," meaning the opposite of accelerate. So how do we use accelerate in everyday life? Imagine you're preparing for an important exam and you decide to accelerate your study pace. You could say, "I'm going to accelerate my revision schedule to make sure I cover everything." Or perhaps you're at work and your team has a deadline approaching. You might say, "Let's accelerate our efforts to complete the project on time." This word is also common in discussions about technology or development, like when someone says, "This new software will accelerate data processing speeds." You see, accelerate can be used in a variety of settings, from personal growth to professional deadlines and even technology. In summary, accelerate is a versatile verb that means to make something go faster, with synonyms like hasten and expedite, and antonyms like decelerate and slow down. Thanks so much for tuning in today to learn with me. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support really helps others find the show. I'd love to hear from you, so why not create your own sentence with accelerate and share it as a comment? Until next time, keep expanding your vocabulary, and I'll see you in the next episode.